Hey there, fellow YouTube mechanics. Working on this '01 Dodge Cummins with a NV5600 6-speed manual transmission, change in transmission fluid. It calls for 9.5 pints, and they say you're supposed to take off the transmission boot. I did not. I put it up on blocks on the slope driveway. It's some blocks here for my RV. And I was able to use the standard fill hole on this side and the drain hole on this side on the bottom of the PTO cover. Since it's leaning to the passenger side, get more of it out. This is what I got out, about 9 pints, and I was able to put in almost 11 pints, but 10.5. This one started here. So again, just using blocks in the slope driveway, I was able to do it the easy way. Have fun.